Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. First, open a web browser and log into your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Your Google Account from the drop-down menu. On the left panel, click on the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find the YouTube History section and click on it. Now scroll further and click on Manage History. This will take you to all your YouTube activity. On the left side panel, click on Interactions. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Channel Subscriptions and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the YouTube channels you've subscribed to over time. To check how long you've been subscribed to a specific channel, simply click on that channel. You'll find the exact date when you first subscribed. And that's it. Now you know how to check your YouTube subscription history.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.